Hey guys, today I will be introducing how to build a website. So it's a pretty simple process. All you need really is a computer and the internet. And basically we're going to do three things here. First, we're going to create a file in Markdown. And Markdown is a language kind of like just like a TXT file that you can have a special language with to create headlines, lists, that sort of thing. So first thing here, I've got an app called PWR2 that allows us to edit Markdown in real time. So we can write out the command, like in this case, title, and then bold, a subheading, using special commands like hashtag for the title, underscores for italics, asterisks for bold. You can strike through. And then create a list as well. So we can add a link here as well, and then we'd specify what text is in that link. Or we can attach an image. In this case, all you have to do is put an exclamation mark in front of it, then some alternate text, and then copy in the link. And there we go. Power 2. And if we want to get real crazy, we can add it in a YouTube video. So now we're going to upload our file to GitHub. And GitHub is an online platform that we can have. So next, once we have this document, we have to upload it. One of the biggest sources for web developers out there is GitHub, a platform for hosting and collaborating on code. We'll go ahead and make an account, and then we can create a new repository. With that repository, we can have a place to hold all of our files. Now, we can make a repository which can have a name and a description. Now that we have the repository created, we can add a new file to the repository. In this case, we can create a new Markdown file called index.md. And we really can just copy over our text from the other file we just created. But I'm going to go ahead here and fill in. Now we can save this file and boom, it's there in our repository. So if we open it up, we can see it's now rendered like what we saw in PWR2. But you may be asking, but hey, Adam, I don't want people to have to go to this lame-o GitHub page to see this bland document. Where can we beef it up? That's a great question. Luckily for us, GitHub has a feature called GitHub Pages. It will render the Markdown into a theme of our choice, and then create a gorgeous little URL for the world to see. Let's see this in action. So we can choose Enable Pages, and then choose the main branch, and select Theme. Since we are makers, crafters, and hackers, let's go ahead and choose the hacker theme. Once we have selected that, our page is live at the green link above. In this case, I have a custom domain, shevitz.us. So I can point our website to a URL on that domain. Next up, I need to change the DNS on my website. DNS stands for Domain Name System. In this case, I can add a record which tells the website where to look for that address. So in this case, I want demo.shevitz.us to be an alias of adamshevitz.github.io, which is where the GitHub website is hosted. So now that I have that updated and the CNAME set in GitHub Pages, now the site's live. So let's check it out. Boom, there it is, with our hacker theme and everything. Now what if we want to make changes to the website? Well, that's really easy. We can go back to our repository in GitHub, go back to our index.md file, and then edit. We can add whatever we want there, whether it be text, more markdown, or removing anything. Then we can save. And now if we open up our site again, this time I'll open in Firefox, so it's an uncached version of the site. You can see now it shows the newest changes we made to our website. Congrats, you built your first website. It's a great start, and I hope you guys get a lot of value out of this how-to. Thank you.